How to change password on Facebook. Hey everyone, if you want to change your password on Facebook, what you have to do is to simply launch the Facebook app, and you can see I'm logged into my account. So what we're going to do is we want to tap on this three lines icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then when you've done that, you want to simply tap on the gear icon, which is located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then when you've done that, go to the option that says Account Center, which will take you to Meta Account Center. And from that point on, you can scroll down and select the option called Password and Security, and then just tap on it. From Password and Security, here you'll find various options. So what we're going to do is go to the option Change Password from the top, select your Facebook account. Now, if you have your current password remembered with you, then type in your current password first for confirmation, then type in the new password that you want to change to and retype the new password and tap the Change Password button. But in case you've forgotten your password, then you can tap on the Forgot Your Password button and reset it if you'd like. That is all for this video. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.